In December 2001, Other Voices was not yet a festival. It began simply as a gang of musicians coming together and raising their voices in the Church of St. James in Dingle in West Kerry.
Well, last year when this series was running, I sat and looked at the beauty of the room every week and said, some night I'd love to sit in that room and sing a few songs, and it's nice to be here at last.
The circumstance of this year has brought us back to our roots. This December, we will be running a digital festival. We are collapsing distance between the Church of St. James here in Dingle and your homes, bringing a piece of West Kerry directly from our hearts to you. So in a year like no other, we'll bring you an experience like no other. You'll have the very best seat in the house.